My friends, running kimono, this basket of magic was like just under a $4 moneymaker for me today. So it is a really great week over at Walgreens if you have boosters and you can stack them. We're also going to look at deals like just on their own if you have no boosters and you're super uber frustrated with Walgreens, but everything is going really good today. I know a lot of you really enjoy the weather report. It is about 72 degrees today and it's kind of humid. And a special hello to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a terrific day. While you're at Walgreens, if you wish to use Walgreens Cash or Register Rewards, even a store register reward to buy your local newspaper, it is a way to get some inserts on the cheap. We have the $2 pull-ups, the dollar for the Irish Spring and soft soap in there as well. So that is pretty cool. You head over to your Fetch Rewards account and go to the Discoveries page, bottom left-hand tab. Go to the very bottom, and this is where I found a free Gatorade Zero. So free drink right up till the 15th, which is Friday. Unfortunately, at the cooler of my Walgreens, they didn't have it, but you would pay that $2.79 and get $2.79 with the Fetch Rewards app. I'm talking about this app all the time. If you've been on the fence about sign up today for these really cool rebates such as this one to keep you, refreshed and ready to coupon for about 17 hours. Okay, first deal we're going to talk about are the makeup wipes, and these are deals that anyone can do, even if you don't have a booster. So we'll talk about them. $6.79 for these makeup wipes on a buy one, get one 50% off. And I know a lot of you are like, I need to see the tags. Here are the tags. So this is valid right through August. So this is a really long one that they're running. Now, why this is so sweet to buy specifically the makeup towelettes is because there's a 5 off of 2 digital coupon that, yes, is in fact attaching to those makeup wipes. Kind of interesting. If you go over to your IBOTTA account, there's also a $2 rebate on a facial cleansing product, and it's working for this. Now, before 100 of you come to me in the comments and say that there's like double rebate stacking, I would encourage you to either do the $2 or the $1 one. Don't do both because sometimes IBOTTA does an audit, and if they wish to do so, they will close down your account if you're stacking rebates, buying one product with 2 rebates, even if it's not your fault or it's just happening miraculously. Aunt Rach is here to tell you that when they do see these inconsistencies, they tend to audit or lock you out of your account. I would just do the one, but that's just my opinion. Okay, so 2 of those gorgeous makeup wipes on a BOGO 50% off is $10.18. My 5 off of 2 digital coupon melted off. You can pay $5.18 out of pocket or use $5 in Walgreens cash. Get $2 back for each on Ibotta, making it $1.18 for 2 makeup wipes. Again, if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash or register rewards, absolutely go for it. And just to show you the top one, yes, I did get back $4 for those 2 Neutrogenas with the Ibotta app. Okay, let's talk about the Axe Men's Dry Spray. Okay, so the Ibotta rebate for $2 back is for 5 ounces or larger. And guess what, guys? This is only a 4-ounce bottle, and the new, Axe 5-ounce, the massive one, they don't have them at my store, so I couldn't do it. But we're just going to look at this deal in a different way. So here's the fine print. And what they did this week, which I've noticed, is that all the little deals where you get a $4 register reward, they clump them all together. So you got to pick and choose what you want to do. So if you're doing a big basket, you got to pick and choose. This digital showed up, which is a 2 off of 2. And yes, it is attaching to those Axe dry sprays. This is how I would do it. Grab 2 of them for $12, subtracting that 2 off of 2, pay $10 or roll $10 in Walgreens cash. You're getting back a $4 store register reward. Fetch Rewards is giving back $1.50 back for each if you have it on your Discoveries page. I do not. That's why I didn't do it. It ends up being $3 for 2 or $1.50 per. You can use Walgreens cash or register rewards to pay down the balance. But that 5-ouncer, that's the devil in the details with Ibotta, and they didn't have it at my store. Maybe if you live in a bigger city, they might have it, but I certainly couldn't find it. Now, if you love these storage bags for home cooking or for whatever you want to store in them, this is back, which is a buy one, get one for free. They used to do, like years ago, a buy one, get 2 for free, but I'll take this because they haven't been giving these away in a really long time. For those of you that are like, I need to look at the tags. The tags. Here it is. Buy one, get one free. It shakes it out to like $1.49 per. Grabbing 2, that's $2.29. I would use $3 in Walgreens cash and pay down the tax. This is definitely your week to stock up. If you wish to use Walgreens cash or register rewards to pay, go for it. So it's either free toothpaste or free toothbrushes, so Oral-B or the Crest for $3. So we're going to be looking specifically for these that are tagged with the $4 register reward, but don't do this with like the Irish Spring or the Axe because it's on the same promotion. If you read the fine print, only one register reward will print, causing a huge flippin' mess. This is the digital that we need to load. It's either a 2 off of 2 or a $2 off of 1 Crest. So grabbing 2 of them for $6 that's 6 on the nose. Subtracting the $2 digital, you're paying 4 out of pocket, getting back a $4 store register reward, making this free. It is okay to use Walgreens cash or register rewards to pay down the balance. There was a 3 off of 2 on Friday, but since it's not attaching to anything, so I do not know what they're doing, still free. So do this or with the Oral-B brushes. This is one I would pass on. Unfortunately, Colgate, the manufacturer, only gave us dollar digitals for the brushes or the paste. To pay like 99 cents per, no thank you. Let's wait for a week where we're getting a 4 off of 2 digital. Also, we have the cheapy Purex 2 for $5. If you have register rewards or Walgreens cash you wish to burn, it's either the liquid. I know a lot of you are like, I need to see the tag. Here it is, 2 for $5. So look for either the liquids, the pods, or the scent beads. The scent beads are always a little bit more. $6.99 for one. That stuff is made out of flippin' gold. So when it's 2 for $5, that is the stock up time. Also, for those that are looking for little cheap school supplies, a lot of the Wexford brand, which is the Walgreens brand, 49 cents. A lot of this wasn't even in the flyer either. So pencil sharpeners, erasers, index cards, that good stuff. Right, and what have I been finding back in stock at Walgreens are these Kellogg's stacks or snacks or whatever it's called. They are on a buy one, get one free promotion, which is super uber nice. IBOTTA has $2 back for each, so if you can find like 2 of each or 1 of each, definitely with IBOTTA. And Shopkick is also giving back 350 points, which is $1.40. Grabbing 2 of them for $4.49, you're going to get $4 back from IBOTTA, 350 points back from Shopkick, which is $1.40, making it free plus a 91-cent money maker. It is okay to use Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, but how lovely is this deal? Alrighty, so I got this guy, which is a 10 back when you spend 50, so I needed a $50 basket. I bought those newspapers, and this pumped out of the machine, which is 8 back when you spend 40, and yes, you can stack both of them. I got $18 back. This is my basket of the stuff I got. 6 of the Complete Home bags, 2 of the Neutrogena, 2 Head and Shoulders, and then 2 pull-up children's Huggies diapers. So I'm just going to show you the digital coupons that I had. So I used this 5 off of 2 digital for the Neutrogena, the 3 off of 2 for the Head and Shoulders, and the 4 off of 2 for the pull-up Goodnights. So we have the booster right there, and then I had 3 manufacturer register rewards, and yes, I was able to use all 3. I'll talk about that in a quick second. If you go over to IBOTTA, I got $8 back in rebates, 4 for Neutrogena and 4 for the Huggies pull-ups New Leafs. The same bag of diapers, I also got back an extra $4 on the Fetch Rewards app, so how lovely is that? Now, I did use 3 manufacturer register rewards. As you can look at the top, there they are, so $4, the $5, the $5, so $14 of register rewards. I got the cashier to scan every single item, so there it created a line. So these manufacturer register rewards will in fact scan. If you look at the bottom, it says ECPN, which is electronic coupon, and that is for the Neutrogena, the 4 off of 2 for the diapers, and then the 3 off of 2 for the Head and Shoulders. But yes, everything works. Some stores will only allow you to use 1 register reward, but mine does not have an issue. If it's a manufacturer register reward, it should be no problem. Okay, friends, let's look at this basket. 6 of the Walgreens Nice bags for $8.97 on a BOGO free promotion. 2 Head and Shoulders for $12, 2 Neutrogena makeup wipes for $10.18, and 2 bags of Huggies for $21. The total right there is $52.15. I got the cashier to scan the 8 when you spend 40 booster, the paper one, plus I had the digital loaded, which is 10 back when you spend 50. I had $12 of digital manufacturers melt off right there, along with $14 in manufacturer register rewards that also came off. With my debit card, I paid $26.15. I got back $18 in Walgreens cash, 10 for the 50 booster, 8 for the 40 booster, and a $4 register for the Head and Shoulders. I also got back $8 from IBOTTA, $4 for the diapers, $4 for the Neutrogena, and then $4 back from the Fetch Rewards app also for the diapers. For me, it made it free plus a $7.85 moneymaker. If you do not have the $14 in register rewards, it'll be $6.15 for this basket. Remember not to use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as you're using boosters with this deal. And for those that are like, I'm not sure about it, here is my 4 back when you buy 2 Head & Shoulders. Remember to always double, triple check the rebate apps such as IBOTTA in case something pops up later in the week. Now, in celebration of today, let's have a little giveaway. We're going to be giving away a Walgreens gift card. To participate, you got to be a subscriber to this channel. In the comments, tell me where you're from. For example, if you're from Columbus, Ohio, write Columbus, Ohio shopper, and that is your entry. 1 entry per person, and this is 100% free to enter. I will pick the winner and pin their name to this video on Wednesday, July the 13th. Good luck, guys. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.